I have to ask about Grigori Perelman. What do you think of him famously declining the Fields Medal and the Millennial Prize? So he stated, "I'm not interested in money or fame. The prize is completely irrelevant to me. If the proof is correct, then no other recognition is needed." What do you think of him turning down the prize?
I guess what I think is that mathematics is full of a lot of different kinds of people. And my attitude is that, hey, it doesn't matter. Maybe they have a good math idea. And so I want to talk to them and interact with them. And so I think the Perelman case, is maybe an instance where he's such a brilliant mind and he solved this extremely famous and difficult problem, and that is a huge achievement. Um, but he also had these views about, prizes, and somehow I don't really fully understand why he would turn it down.
I do think I have a similar thing, just observing Olympic athletes that are, in many cases, don't get paid very much, and they nevertheless dedicate their entire lives for the pursuit of the gold medal. I think his case is a reminder that some of the greatest mathematicians, some of the greatest scientists and human beings do the thing they do, take on these problems for the love of it, not for the prizes or the money or any of that. Now, as you're saying, if the money comes, you could use it for stuff. If the prizes come and the fame and so on, that might be useful. But the reason fundamentally the greats do it is because of the art itself.
Sure, I totally agree with that. I mean, I share the view. That's why I'm a mathematician, is because I find the questions so compelling, and I've spent my whole life thinking about these problems. And, um, but like, if I won an award,
Yeah, it's
I don't
great.
know.
It's great. I mean, I'm pretty sure you don't contribute to MathOverflow for the wealth and the power that you gain.
That's
I mean,
right.
it's genuine curiosity.
Well, you asked who the greatest mathematician is, and of course, if we want to be truly objective about it, we would need a kind of objective criteria about how to evaluate the relative, strength in the reputation of various mathematicians. And so, of course, we should use MathOverflow score because
that you're definitively, I mean, nobody objectively the greatest mathematician of all time.
That's right. I've also argued that tenure and promotion decisions should be based
on MathOverflow.
So my daughter introduced me to her boyfriend and told me that she had a boyfriend. And I
asked him,
I
what
wanted
is
to know,
MathOverflow?
first of all, what is his chess rating? And secondly, what is his MathOverflow score?
Oh, man. Well, that's the only way to judge a person, I think. That's, I think, objectively correct. Yeah.